Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for June 4th to the 16th. All the global models maintain an unseasonably suppressed polar jet across the nation from June 4th to the 8th. Models, especially the GEFS, depict a ridge well off the west and east coast for this period with a trough over the center of the nation. The plains of the Mississippi Valley will continue to experience stormy and wet conditions. Tropical moisture circulating around a deep vortex over the Gulf of Mexico will cause heavy rainfall across southern Florida as the trough moves into the east. All models depict some energy of the tropical disturbance to track across Florida, then up the southern edge of the polar westerlies along the southeast coast. Here's our area of concern right here. Now, I want to show you this other model. This is the Nav Gem. Now, all this shows is a frontal system across this area here, with rainfall occurring up along the east coast. The heaviest rain you can see occurring across Florida and spotted areas along the east coast. This is for June 3rd, January. And then we go forward, and then we have an area of maximum rainfall right here. Now, that would be probably the most likely solution. But the DJAX run depicts a full-blown tropical system early in the period and tracks it across Florida, then up the Atlantic coast. Now, here's another model. This is the What is this model? This is the Global Ensemble's forecast. And then we have this area right here. And see where it goes across Florida and then up the east coast. So this is something that has to be watched over the next few days. Now we're going to look at the period more into the future. This is for June 7th to the 11th, and the ensembles are in agreement with the 500 millibar circulation for June 7th to the 11th, and forecast a trough over western Alaska and the east central U.S. A ridge is forecast over central Canada and the western Atlantic. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, near normal temperatures elsewhere. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation across this region here. Now, further into the forecast period, this is for June 12th to 16th, and the ensembles continue to indicate a progression and de-amplification of the circulation for June 12th to 16th. A trough is forecast over western Alaska, along the west coast and in the east. A ridge is forecast over the northern plains, and the ensemble spaghetti diagrams indicate moderate to large spread for this period. So during this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures here and for northern New England. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for the mid-Atlantic states. So this has been the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 4th to the 16th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.